Join me in doing some FemShep repairs today. First things first, I'm going to remove the old vinyl that didn't want to stick anymore and then stayed stuck too much in some other places. I am using my knife to separate the glued vinyl from the foam. These areas were probably glued with super glue, that's why they were harder to remove. Once things are ready, I am attaching the new layer, smoothing it out and cutting out the excess. For more awkward shapes, I am first making a tape template and then I cut it out. Here you can see me attaching the vinyl that I cut out using the tape template. Then I'm securing N7 logo with super glue and adding paint to make it all pop. And of course, we need to cut out and add the new red part of the N7 logo. Once everything else is ready, I changed the wiring. The previous one had wires ripped, so I attached a new detachable battery pack that I can use for other cosplays as well. And now she is ready!